Liqui Moly Valve Clean saved this GDI or direct injection engine. Take a look at the results with these intake valves. You can see a lot of carbon reduction on these intake valves. Now I'll show you how to achieve these results and maintain carbon-free valves. Stick around because there are several important tips you need to hear about. Liqui Moly Valve Clean alone isn't enough. First up, you need a baffled oil catch can. This will greatly reduce the carbon. Now, I'll show you why the oil catch can is so beneficial. A magnetic drain plug can show mechanical issues. Let's take a look at what was inside the oil catch can caused by engine blow-by. A mixture of gas and oil. You cannot stop all of the oil from hitting the intake valves, but you can greatly reduce it with an oil catch can. Now, this Liqui Moly Valve Clean is made to be poured in your fuel tank, but this is a direct injection engine, also known as a GDI engine. This way, you can use a giant sprayer and just pour it in the sprayer and spray it through the intake past the mass airflow sensor. You won't believe the results we've been able to maintain after using every single fuel system cleaner, fuel treatment, and fuel additive on the market. Just to name a few of the fuel additive treatments that we have tried: seafoam motor treatment, seafoam spray, Royal Purple, Lucas, Amsoil Power Foam, Supertech, Gum Out, Marvel Mystery Oil, Lucas GDI, BG GDI, CRC Intake Valve and Turbo Cleaner, AT100 Blast 3M. After using this intake valve cleaner one time, I was able to obtain great results, but to maintain those results, I use this cleaner once every 15,000 miles. Now remove the air filter and spray past the mass airflow sensor if your vehicle does have one. Start your vehicle, allow it to reach operating temperatures. Next, I raise my RPM to 2500 using a pipe to press against the gas pedal and seat. Let's get started using our Liqui Moly. Finally, time to use our borescope camera to go back inside the engine, check out these intake valves. If you would like to see a new intake valve cleaner tested, Just make sure you hit the like button and comment below letting me know what it is you'd like to see tried next. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.